How's it going, YouTube? We're back with the 16-foot car trailer, and we're gonna run up the road back to Pittsburgh for part 2 of this pickup. So luckily this isn't me, but I saw some sparking and realized one of my chains like fell out of my bed. God damn. So let's go ahead and get this pulled out, and I'm just happy it didn't get caught up in a wheel or it's folded over. You see how silver it is from constantly rubbing that rust off. Jeez, that could have been bad. We made it, and it's time to load up. Oh, fun. This is a ton of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, I have the orange plastic one.
Weight off of them, is that? Alright, pull it out. We get it!
I think so. Woo! Okay, I think we're loaded up and ready to go. I also have the winch one up front, so it's pulling this so that piece isn't going to go backwards. Hopefully it doesn't come forward either. That's what some of these straps are for. That one's not super tight though. I need to go tighten that, and then we should be good to run. Now we're really ready to leave. On my driver's side, that chipper was rubbing the inside of the tire. Took off a bunch of rubber, so I had to swing back, crawl about a mile back here, and bump it over some. But hopefully we can now go. So we've made it back home. Nothing really of note on the drive back. Just kind of making sure I didn't scrape anything with the overhang. Stopped and checked the straps a couple times. Everything was good. Grabbed a bite to eat. It was pretty smooth. So now we have a wood chipper. I believe it's 16-inch capacity wood chipper, mobile welder, mobile air compressor, and the trailer that's at my other property. They were not sure if they had titles to these. I was told Tuesday that they thought they did, and then today that they're not so sure. So we'll see what happens, but until next time, I'm gonna go take a nap.